Welcome to data analytics subject. In this video, we are going to discuss about Hadoop architecture. Hadoop architecture mainly consists of 5 components: name node, data node, job tracker, task tracker, and secondary name node. This is the Hadoop architecture diagram, whereas you can see name node, the client has data nodes. Um, Each data nodes perform read and write operations and replications of data available among data nodes. um, Group of data nodes are maintained as a rack of nodes. So these all forms the HDFS architecture. Functionality of a name node. Name node is the main thing in any HDFS system of Hadoop, and it is called as the master. It stores only the metadata, not the actual data. The actual data shared to the data node, and blocks of information and location of data, everything is maintained in the HDFS with name node. Name node is very critical in HDFS because name node, if is not accessible, then the entire Hadoop cluster is considered as down. So when name node is a single point of failure in Hadoop cluster. So configuring the name node is very essential with respect to Hadoop implementation. Data node, for storing the actual data in HDFS, it is a worker node or a slave node. Name node and data node will always be in a constant communication, will be exchanging the information, what data node is processing, availability in the cluster, failure or data operations, configurations, what data stored or exchanged, all these will be taken care of by data node. Job tracker, um, job tracker process runs on a separate node and not usually on the data node. So in the MapReduce, if you see mainly the resource manager and application master is the main thing. In MapReduce version 1, they were used the resource manager and application master, but nowadays in MapReduce version 2 and all others, job trackers are used for tracking the job and request, whatever it is received with respect to MapReduce execution in Hadoop. And job tracker will talk to name node and determine the location of the data. Job tracker finds the best task tracker node so that data locality, data management, and everything is easy with respect to Hadoop implementation. Job tracker monitors the individual task tracker in the data node. Completely it is taken care by the job tracker. In Hadoop cluster, it maintains the heartbeat mechanism, that is, every name node is constantly connection with the data node, and to make a name node aware of the status, data node sends a heartbeat signal for every 10 minutes. So this is called a heartbeat mechanism. And the job tracker is responsible for scheduling and rescheduling the task of MapReduce. Task tracker, so mainly tasks runs on the data node and completion. Um, so the task related information, mapping and reducing, splitting, all these are taken care by the task tracker. So task tracker is responsible for the complete insanity in maintaining the map and reduce work in any data nodes. Secondary name node is dedicated in HDFS cluster. The main function is to checkpoints of the file system metadata present in the name node. It is not a backup name node. It is the it creates checkpoints of name nodes, and it's a helper to the primary name node to replace for primary name node. So any case while main name node downs, the secondary name node comes into picture and takes care of the functionalities, and all the space, the task related activities are handled by your secondary name node. So these are all the components present in Hadoop cluster architecture, and these are all the functionalities. Thank you.